Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Kerala Assembly passes resolution urging Centre to rename Kerala as Keralam. Jammu-Srinagar highway blocked due to landslide in Ramban, Amarnath Yatra halted. Vietjet offers attractive promotional tickets starting from BNDO. Indigo eyes more direct flights to Central Europe, Far East and global push. With no e-visa facility at Goa's Mopa Airport, international tourists at risk of deportation. Meghalaya Tourism Department organizes Caravan Tourism Awareness Workshop. Tourism industry in Himachal Pradesh suffers as landslides cause damage. Pilgrims should proceed on Char Dham after taking weather update, CM Dhami. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.